So you want to go live directly from YouTube on your iPhone. Well, I'm going to walk you through every step and break it down as simply as possible so you can start broadcasting to your audience right away. So let's open up your YouTube app on your phone, and it'll bring you up to a screen just like this. And you just want to make sure that you're logged into the correct account that you want to be able to post from. If you're like me, you have multiple YouTube accounts, so you want to make sure that you're in the right one. And then you want to go down to the bottom here and you want to click the plus icon in the middle of the bottom of the screen. So you got a couple of options across the bottom to be able to record a short, post a video. But what we want to do is we want to go to live, and it'll open up the front facing camera here. Now, if you want to switch to your forward facing camera, you could click the little arrows on the right hand of the screen. And you can see my view of what I'm looking at there, my messy studio. So that way you can switch which camera that you're using. So you see below the microphone there, you have a little icon that looks like a phone. And that gives you a couple of options. So you now can go directly live within the Shorts feed, the vertical format, or you could switch that so that it'll stream horizontally just like in a traditional live feed that you see on there. The key is you have to kind of switch that before you start going live, because once you're live, you won't be able to switch that afterwards. So something just to consider. Now let's do a little bit of work before we start going live to optimize your stream. So you'll see the pencil icon just down below. And here you can change your thumbnail. So we're going to choose to, you can either upload a photo if you've already done that, or you can take a thumbnail photo. All right. So we'll use that. And you can select your visibility. I'm going to leave it unlisted because I don't want to go live right now. I'm just doing this for example. If it's made for kids or not, you can invite guests. This is a nice feature. So you could, it'll give you a link to send to a friend or somebody else you want to go live with who will also be in your feed, and you can give them the option there. And then you can add a description. Now I've got a couple of default things that come up in my description, but if you don't have that set up, that'll be blank. And this is key. You want to add the details about what you're going live about, what you're going to be talking about, any links that you have, all within that part right there. Okay, once you have that all set up, you can add your location. You can have it scheduled. So if you want to set up the live feed, but you go, oh, I'm not going to go live for another 30 minutes or an hour, you can set it to do that. Or you can go here to advanced settings, and I'll show you a couple of things here. So you can allow chat, you can allow reactions. Again, you can toggle those on or off, whatever you want there. If it's a paid promotion, they ask that you turn that on so that you know that that's a paid promotion, that you're getting sponsorships for that live stream. If you have the option for monetization, if you've hit the threshold to be able to do that, you can turn those on. Okay, we'll back out of there. And then you have everything. You can review, make sure everything is exactly the way you want to do it. And then you click go live. And you'll see this counting down. It's getting ready to go. You'll see a timer counting down. And once that hits 0, you are live. And this is what you will be seeing as you're going live. And you can switch your camera here to show what you're doing, and you can come back to you. And what's neat is as people start commenting, you'll see that pop up on the screen as you're talking. So you can respond to them throughout that. And then once you're done going live, up in the top right-hand corner, you can see that they have the stats there. You can see across the top how many people are watching, any likes, any monetary gains, anything that you have going on there. And once you're done, you can sign off. Thanks for watching. And you click the X and click End. And you'll see it cycle through here to be able to finish. And then again, it'll give you any of the stats that came up while you were going live. Obviously, mine was unlisted and only went for a few seconds. So you see all that. You click done, and then you'll see that it shows up into your video page. So now it will be available unless you delete it or unless you change something about it, for it to be seen later on by other people. They search for it. And that's where the titles and descriptions really come in handy, because it is now a video that people can watch later. Any of the comments that people left while you were going live are now available for people to see as comments. So you could go in there afterwards and be able to edit that if you'd like. So you go into edit, and you could change any of the information that you have in there. You could change the thumbnail. You could do all the things that you do with normal videos if you'd like. And that is the simplest, easiest way to be able to go live directly from your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you go live very soon.